What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. I almost didn't make this video because this is why I don't play defense. If I'm playing basketball, I do not play defense because every time I do, bad things happen. We won't talk about it. But I did want to bring you guys this video. Kind of last minute, you know, it's last minute shopping season. We trying to figure out what gifts we want to get for people. So here are a couple last minute gifts for the sneakerhead in your life. You know, if you got a little brother, if you got a boyfriend, if you got a girlfriend, like, you know, I'm gonna give you variety, okay? The first last minute shopping gift you should get for a sneakerhead, I've recommended before, not paying me, but it's Crep. I love the Crep protector that you can put on any type of sneaker. It's amazing. I put it on pretty much any shoe that I've ever worn outside has been protected with this. It protects from stains, water, rain, salt. It makes just your life so much easier and just helps your mental when you're wearing nice shoes outside. Super easy to put on, spray, let sit for 10 minutes, spray again, you set, take off, spill ketchup like they do in the videos. I never want spilled ketchup on my shoes, don't know why they use that. Also, you'll see these, you'll see both maybe in like a package deal, but you'll see this also in sneaker stores. This is just the actual cleaning kit, and it makes it super simple. It comes with the like cure cleaner, the brush, and then a towel. I love it to clean shoes. My shoes don't get super dirty, but like if I accidentally, you know, step in mud, something like that, I know I can come home, clean it super easy with that. Couple drops on the brush, dip it in water, scrub up your shoe, and it's safe for most materials, so when you're scrubbing, you're not like ruining the shoe. That's what I've always worried about. And yeah, I just really like the Crep stuff. It's a really fire gift, honestly. Stocking stuffer, that's perfect. Like 20 bucks, like, come on. The next last minute gift, you see my collection, you see how it's set up. Looks kind of nice. It's all over the place, but we're going with the Container Store drop front boxes. Love these, because if you do have shoes stacked up, let's look at that. So I do have shoes stacked up in boxes, but it's super hard. If I want to get like the last shoe at the bottom, I gotta do this maneuver, and I gotta pray that everything just don't come crashing down. With the drop fronts, you can have them up, and you can just pick one, take it, put it back. It makes life so much simpler. Like when they came out with these, oh my God, it saved my life. I think you can get like a 6-pack. So it goes on sale a lot, so you can get like a 6-pack of these for like 50 bucks. It's still expensive, especially if you have a lot of shoes. It is very expensive. That's why I still have shoes out and in boxes, because it's expensive. So keep that in mind. They do have a black one. I think the black one looks nice. You can do some crazy designs with it. I've seen people do the 2 and the 3. That's a little too much for me, but I just put them at the top, and I don't know. But drop front box from Container Store. Order it online, do whatever you gotta do, but this is a perfect gift for sneakerheads, and they're displaying their collections. Love it. Love it. And the last minute gift, I gotta include a shoe. And we're gonna go with the Jordan 11 that released for Christmas time. As you know, Jordan loves the Christmas time Jordan 11 releases. So, you know, we gotta keep it tight. And I always think this is a good cop for any sneakerhead. The Christmas time Jordan 11, even though a lot of people wear them, like in high school, I used to be like, do I want them? Like everybody was gonna be rocking them in school. What I used to do is I used to buy the Christmas time Jordan 11s. I used to let everybody rock them for the next 3 months. And then I break out my fresh pair with like a month left of school. Like I'm coming out in April and be like, oh, y'all thought I didn't have these? Nobody was worried that much. But in my mind, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna kill them. Because they didn't think I had them, but then I actually had them. So I pull up and come on, bro. That's different. That's a different level. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. The Jordan 11 Christmas time release, Jubilees this year. Clean shoe, very neutral, wear with anything. You're always solid in a Jordan 11. Like, I've never seen somebody in a Jordan 11 be like, why you got those? Like, it's a Jordan 11. It's not a 14, it's not a 2, like, it's a Jordan 11. So at the end of the day, this is always a good cop. Always a good cop. Yeah, I don't have any more sizes. I was gonna say buy some, but no, I don't got any. But yes, it might be a little hard to get these by Christmas time. You could always check Facebook Marketplace. There's usually sellers in your area that will have still Jordan 11s from Christmas still up. So definitely a good cop. Be safe when buying. Do all your checks you need to. Haven't seen a lot of fakes in these, so not too huge to worry about. Obviously, if you come across a pair that's 120 bucks, don't be dumb. Yes. So the 3 things, definitely some good Christmas gifts for some sneakerheads. And you know, if y'all want to send me something, just tell Clemson to cover. That's all I need. Clemson versus Notre Dame, just tell them to cover. Don't worry about sending me nothing. Just pray. Just pray. But enjoy your day. NBA starting soon. Life is good. Q Drake. Not doing that for YouTube copyright, and we'll holla at y'all.